Why are you not eating your food? Listen to your stomach. Why aren't you eating your food? Puppy. Bravo. Listen to your stomach, boy. Bravo, come here. Why aren't you eating? Why aren't you eating? Talk to me. Huh? What's the matter? Listen to your stomach, bro. Do you hear your stomach? Huh? Talk to me. Sit. Bravo, sit. Why is your tummy growling like that? Huh? Listen to it. Listen to your stomach. Listen to it. Eat your food. Why you don't want to eat your food? Huh? You just want me to rub on you? You just want me to love on you, buddy? Huh? That's what you want? You just want love. You gotta eat. Listen to your stomach. Shh. Do you hear it? Do you hear your stomach? Buddy. Do you hear that? Bravo. Bravo, you gotta eat. Oh my gosh. Bravo, your stomach. Do you hear it? Eat your food. He didn't eat all day yesterday. Oh my God. Bravo, your stomach. Oh my gosh.